Hi, and happy February. I can't believe it's already February 2022. I wanted to record this video because this month we have a special feature where if you buy both of our serums, our vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum, which is called Fresh Kisses, and if you buy our Kiss Me You Fool Rosehip Seed Oil serum, if you buy the duo, you actually save 20%. So I wanted to come on and talk a little bit for you about why you would actually want both serums, what difference they make in your world, and why you would use one versus the other, and how to use them together. So I personally use both of these together every single morning. So let's first talk about our vitamin C serum. And I just want to show you the texture of this serum. So this is vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, as I mentioned. So you can just see the beautiful texture there. And so this serum I formulated with hyaluronic acid because hyaluronic acid is naturally occurring in our body, but we tend to slow down the production of hyaluronic as we age, sadly. And so what hyaluronic acid does is it actually plumps up the skin naturally. So it helps to bring water to the surface of your skin, thereby making it look plump and helping to reduce fine lines and wrinkles on the surface of your skin. In essence, it gives you beautiful, healthy, glowing, pro-aging skin. So why wouldn't you all want to be using hyaluronic acid on your skin? Furthermore, it is paired with vitamin C. And so the vitamin C that I used when formulating this serum is derived from amla berry oil. So amla berry, or amla, has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries due to its beautiful vitamin C content. It's got 20 times more vitamin C than other sources. And so that's why I wanted to use it, to really tap into the natural essence of the vitamin C being an antioxidant that you're going to get by using amla berry. Now, what you do with this serum is you actually apply it every morning. The reason you apply it in the morning is because vitamin C is a great ingredient in order to fight free radical damage that we get throughout the day from the environment. So free radical damage happens through sun exposure. Free radical damage happens from environmental toxins, such as, toxins that are in our environment, from different fragrances, for example, are a big one that we all have in our environment, especially if you use scented laundry soap, if you use scented candles, if you use air fresheners, chemicals in your home, cleaning products, things like that, all release environmental toxins, and that causes free radical damage on our skin. So using something like a vitamin C serum will help to actually protect you from that free radical damage from things that are floating around in the environment or from those UV rays. So that's why I use this every single morning, and there's no point in using this at night because of course you're sleeping, you're not being exposed to the sun's rays while you're sleeping. I wouldn't use this at night. I don't think it's necessary, and I don't think you need to waste the product in the evening. I would only use this in the morning. So I would use this first because it is lighter than the Rosehip seed oil serum. So you always go lighter than the heavier product in order to make sure that you're getting the maximum hydration and penetration into the layers of your skin. So next you're going to use, in between, I would use the day cream, which is called Kiss Me Every Day. So this is what I would use as a step in between the vitamin C serum. Then I would use this. Then I would follow up with the Rosehip Seed Oil serum. So this, as you can see, the texture is thicker. It is 100% plant-based oils. It's got beautiful, healthy oils to keep your skin really glowing and also protected as well. So they have, similar properties in that they both protect your skin. What Rosehip Seed Oil also does is it also helps to repair any damage that we've done. Yes, I'm looking at all you sunbathers who, back in your 20s went out without sunscreen or would, lather up with baby oil or with olive oil. So yes, I'm talking to you, and yes, I was one of them, so I'm not judging. So Rosehip Seed Oil does help to repair that damage. It helps to repair premature damage from aging, from sun, from maybe poor nutrition, maybe from lack of sunscreen, lack of hydration, from all kinds of things. This is going to help to repair the surface level damage. And it also just gives you beautiful glow. It gives you beautiful nourishment. In a future video, I will share with you how I actually get great glow on my skin by mixing this with my foundation. But I will share further details on that in another video that I will post for you. So just wanted to share why you would want both of these serums in your life. They both do different things. This, by the way, you can use twice a day. So I use this one morning and night, whereas this one I only use in the mornings, for the reasons that I already shared. So I hope that's helpful information. Like I said, for the month of February, you can get this beautiful duo for 20% off when you buy them both together. And that's only an offer that I'm making for this month. So I hope that is helpful information, and I hope that inspires you to want to get some beautiful, healthy, pro-aging, glowing skin for this love month of February. And if you have any questions that you want me to address, I'm going to be doing these features regularly called Ask Me Anything, and I will share with you what you want to know about how to apply your skincare products, why I've formulated with certain ingredients that I've chosen, and more. We'll talk nutrition, we'll talk hydration, we'll talk yoga, movement, whatever it is that you want to know about, I'm happy to address it here in a future video. So have a wonderful day, everyone. If you want to know more about these products, the link is in my bio, and the website is cleankisslifestyle.com. We'll see you soon. Bye now.